CSC Computer Education in இனிய புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். New Year Mega Offer ஐ பெற அருகில் உள்ள CSC கிளையை அணுகவும். CSC Computer Education since 1986.
Welcome back to Tiger Maths channel. We are discussing the problems on multiple integrals in Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so let us continue the previous session. Okay, first problem. Integral 0 to 3, integral 1 to root of 4 minus y into x plus y dx dy. So previous session oda link vandu keela potukku description box la adha neenga paathukonga, right? Okay, now let us directly enter the problem solution. Okay, so the given look at the region of integration. It is the function of y, so it is the value of x. Okay, so we should integrate x at first, so it is in correct form, so directly you are going to integrate. Okay, so let us take the given interval be I, so kudukku interval I nu eduthukom, so integrate with respect to x directly, right? So once again I write it, root of 4 minus y into x plus y into dx dy, so that can be written as 0 to 3. What is the interval of x? X square by 2 plus y means y into x. Y is a constant, so into constant into x is the integral. So root of 4 minus y into dy. So interval 0 to 3, substitute the limits. Root of 4 minus y the whole square, that means 4 minus y by 2, isn't it? Plus y into root of 4 minus y. This is for the upper limit. Minus lower limit, substitute 1 here, 1 for x, isn't it? So 1 square by 2, 1 plus y into 1, y. So this is the value of, after substituting upper limit minus lower limit. Now I am going to simplify this. 4 by 2 can be written as 2. So this can be split into 4 by 2 can be written as 2 minus y by 2 plus y into root of 4 minus y minus 1 by 2 minus y into dy. Okay? Right? So that is equal to interval 0 to 3. You can simplify this. 2 with minus 1 by 2, so 3 by 2. 2 minus half, so 1 by, that means 1 and half, 3 by 2. Or otherwise you have to take LCM. Same like that, minus y by 2 minus y. So minus 3 by 2 y. Okay, right? So the only remaining term is plus y into root of 4 minus y into dy. Right? So we can separate into two integrals. Integral 0 to 3, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 y as one integral plus integral 0 to 3 y into root of 4 minus y into dy as another integral. Okay, right? So the first integral one, I call it as, this is integral 1. First one as I1 plus I2. Where? Right? So I am taking this as I1 and this as I2. So therefore I is equal to I1 and I2. I call it as equation number 1. Now I am going to find out both of the two integrals I1 and I2 and substitute, add both of the two, we can get I. Okay, so right, calculation of I1. How to calculate I1? What is I1? I1 equal to integral 0 to 3, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 y into dy, isn't it? That can be as 3 by 2 y minus 3 by 2 into y square by 2. So the limit for y is 0 to 3. So substitute the limit, upper limit, so 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2 minus 9, 3 square means 9 into 3, 27, 27 by 4. So taking 4 as LCM, so 18 minus 27, isn't it? So that is equal to minus 9 by 4 is the value of I1. Then I2. What is I2? Integral 0 to 3 y into root of 4 minus y dy. This integral cannot be, we don't have any formula to directly integrate this function. So we go for substitution method to solve this integration. Take t square is equal to, or t is equal to, or t square. T square is equal to the term inside the bracket. So 4 minus y. So what is the derivative of t with respect to y? 2t into dt by dx is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 2t dt equal to what? Sorry, 2t dt by dy. Sorry. Integral with respect to y. The variable in the right hand side is y. That's why I am integrating with respect to, differentiate with respect to y. So dy minus dy, isn't it? Minus dy. Right? So the limits, we need to change the limit also. This is the limit of y. We need to change it into the limit for x. Okay. So what is the limit of y when y is equal to 0 implies t square is equal to what? 4 minus 0. That is equal to 4. So therefore t is equal to what? 2. When y equal to 3 implies t square is equal to 4 minus 3. It is equal to 1. So t square is equal to 1. T is also 1. Therefore the integral becomes I2 equal to, what is I2? Integral, the limit for t is 2 to 1. The lower limit is 2. Upper limit is 1. Into, what is y? Therefore, what is y? Y is equal to what? 4 minus t square, isn't it? Taking this y into left hand side, t square into right hand side. So, 4 minus t square into, what is dy? Already we find out. What is root of 4 minus y? I am taking t square as this one. So root of t square, that is equal to what? T. Okay. So into t. Into, what is dy? Minus dy is equal to 2 dt, isn't it? 2t dt. So take this minus into left hand side, minus 2t dt. Minus 2t dt. So the entire integral becomes a function of t alone. Okay. Simplify this, you can get the value of that integral. So you can replace that minus with by changing the limits. Okay. Right. Since minus integral b to a dx is equal to what? Integral a to b dx. Okay. When we changing the limits, the value of the integral becomes minus. Okay. So take this minus and change the limit. So 2 to 1 becomes 1 to 2. Okay. Now 4 minus t square into 2t square dt. That's all. Using that minus, I just changing the integral limits. Okay. That's all. Now multiply that t square into inside. 2t square inside the bracket. Or otherwise take that 2 from the limit. Multiply that t square alone inside the bracket. 4 t square minus t power 4 into dt. Okay. That's all. Now we can integrate as usually. So 4 into t cube by 3 minus t power 5 by 5. The limit from 1 to 2. So 2 into, what is the upper limit? Substitute 2. So 2 cube is 8. 8 4s are 32. So 32 by 3 minus here 2 to the power 5 is 32. 32 by 5. This is for the upper limit, minus lower limit 4 by 3 minus 1 by 5. That's all. So 2 into, we can take LCM between 3 and 5. So 15. Okay. So how many 3s are in 15? 5 times. So multiplied by 5, 160 minus 3 times 96. Minus, similarly taking 15 as LCM here, 5 times, so 20 minus 3 times 3. So 2 into, so what? 64 by 15. 64 by 15 minus 17 by 15. So what? That is equal to 2 into, how much? 64 minus 17. 47. 47 by 15. Multiply by 2, 94 by 15. So this is the integral value of I2, 94 by 15. Right? After find out I1 and I2. What is I1? I1 equal to already minus 9 by 4. Isn't it? Now I2 is 94 by 15. Okay? Right? That's all. So after find out I1 and I2, substitute in 1, you can get the answer. What is I1? Minus 9 by 4 plus I2. What is I2? Plus 94 by 15. Now taking LCM as 60. Okay, so 15 fours are in 60. So multiplied by 15, it is 135. Minus 135. Plus 4 times, isn't it? 4 15s are 60. So 4 times. So 4 fours are 16, remaining 1. 4 9s are 36 plus 1, 37. Minus 135 plus 376 divided by 60. So that is equal to 241 by 60 is the value of the given integral. That's all. Right? That's all. That is the value of the given integral. Next one. Evaluate integral 0 to a integral x by a to root of x by a x square plus y square into dx dy. Right? So let us take the given integral as I. Okay. So this is the function of, this is the limit is in the function of x. So this can be taken as the limit of y. But here we are going to here. But here the given integral integrate with respect to x at first. So we need to write it in correct form. So first one no. Have a correct formula x by a into root of x by a into x square plus y square into dy dx is the correct form. Okay, why? Because this is the limit of y, so limit integrate with respect to y comes at first. Okay, so integrate with respect to y the first level now. Right? That's all. Now it is in correct form. Now directly go for integrate it with respect to y. So this becomes x square y plus y cube by 3. So the limit from x by a to root of x by a into dx. What is root of x by a power 1 by 2. So integral 0 to a, applying the upper limit root of x by a. So already x square is here. We need to substitute for y alone. So x power 1 by 2 by a power 1 by 2 plus y cube. So root x by a to the power cube, isn't it? That is equal to what? This can be written as 1 by 2. So x by a to the power 3 by 2. So x power 3 by 2 by a power 3 by 2. So this can be written as 1 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 by a power 3 by 2. Right? So I write it once again. That is equal to integral 0 to a x square into what is y? X power 1 by 2 by a power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into what is y? X power 3 by 2 by a power 3 by 2. So this is for the upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? X by a. Substitute it for y. So x square into x by a plus 1 by 3 into x cube by a cube into the dx. That's all. Okay. So this can be simplified into what? X to the power 1 by 2 plus x to the power 2, 2 plus 1 by 2, isn't it? So 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 5 by 2. By taking LCM as 2. So 4 plus 1, it is equal to 5 by 2. Right? So a power 1 by 2, 1 by a power 1 by 2 into x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into a power 3 by 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 minus, multiply that minus inside the bracket, x cube by a minus 1 by 3 a cube into x cube into dx. That's all. Right? Now I am going to integrate it. That is equal to integral 0 to a. Now I am going to integrate it. Okay. So that is equal to 1 by a power 1 by 2 into x power 5 by 2 becomes x power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2. That can be written as x power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2. Isn't it? So this can be written as 2 by 7 into x to the power 7 by 2. Right? So 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 1 by 3 a power 3 by 2 into x to the power 5 by 2 by 2 by 5 by 2, that can be written as 2 by 5 minus 1 by a into x power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 3 a cube into x power 4 by 4 into dx. Sorry. Already we integrated, isn't it? So the limit from 0 to a, that's all. Okay? Simplified, we can get the answer. After substitute the limit for x. Okay? So that is equal to what? This becomes a power 7 by 2. So 2 by 7 into a power 7 by 2 by a power 1 by 2. Right? Plus 2 by 15 plus 2 by 15 a power 3 by 2 a power 5 by 2 by a power 3 by 2. This becomes a power 5 by 2 by a power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 into a power 4 by a, isn't it? 1 by 4 into a power 4 by a. That means a power 4 by a, that is a cube minus 1 by 4 3s are 12, 1 by 12 into a power 4 by a cube. Is it right? That's all. So after now substituting the lower limit, each and every term becomes 0. Okay, so no need to apply it. That's all. So 2 by 7, a power 7 by 2, a power 7 by 2 by a power 1 by 2. This can be written as a power 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to a to the power 6 by 2. This can be written as a power 3. That's all. So I am going to write it directly as a cube. Right? 7 minus 1, 6 by 2, that is 3. So, right? So a power 3 plus 2 by 15 into 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 becomes 1. Okay, a to the power 1 minus 1 by 4 a cube minus 1 by 12 a. That's all. Now we can take LCM between a cube. So 28 is the LCM. So 4 times of 7 is in 28. So 8 a cube minus 7 times 7 a cube. Among these two terms, plus we can take 60 as common. Okay, right? So 4 15s are in 60. So multiplied by 4, 8a minus 5 times of 12 is there. So 5a. So what? 8a cube minus a cube, 7a cube, a cube by 28 plus 3a by 60. That can be as a cube by 28 plus a by 20. We can cancel that 3 with 60, becomes 20. That's all. So this is the answer for the given integral. Okay. I is equal to evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral x to root x xy into x plus y dx dy. Okay, right. Look at that. So look at the area of integration. Okay, region of integration. Right. So functions of x is given here. So this is the limit for y. So we need to have the integrate with respect to y at first. So it is not in correct form. So rewrite the given integral as integral 0 to 1 x to root x xy into x plus y into dy dx, because it is the correct form. To make the given integral is into correct form. Why? interval limit for y is given, but here limit for interval for x is given here. So we need to rewrite it. Okay, like that. So now multiply that x y inside the bracket. 0 to 1 x2 root x square y plus x y square into d y dx. So now we integrate with respect to y. So what we will get? X square into y square by 2 plus x into y cube by 3. The limit from x to root x into dx. So applying the limit 0 to 1. What is the upper limit? Root x. Root x for y square. So root x square becomes x. So x into x square, x cube by 2 plus this becomes x power 3 by 2. Root x power 3, that is equal to x power 3 by 2. Already one x is here, isn't it? Into x. So x to the power 5 by 2. Adding both of the two. 3 by 2 plus 1 plus equal to what? Taking 2 as LCM. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 2. So x to the power 5 by 2. Sorry. It becomes x power 5 by 2. Right? So x power 5 by 2 by 3 minus lower limit substitute it for x. So y by x becomes x square into x square, x to the power 4 by 2 plus x cube into x power 4, x power 4 by 3 into dx. Okay, we can write it as, rewrite it as 0 to 1, 1 by 2 x power 3, x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into x power 5 by 2 by taking LCM between these two terms 6. So 3 times of x power 4 plus 2 times of x power 4. So totally 5 times of x power 4 by 6 is here. So minus 5 times x power 4 by 6 into dx. That's all. Now integrate it as usually. How to integrate it? Integrate with respect to x. So what you will get? 1 by 2 into x power 4 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into x power 5 by 2 becomes x power 7 by 2 into by 7 by 2, that becomes 2 by 7 minus 5 by 6 into x power 5 by 5. Limit from 0 to 1. We can cancel both of the two 5's. Right? So that is equal to what? X to the power 4 by 8 plus 2 by 21. 2 by 21 into x power 7 by 2 minus x to the power 5 by 6. Limit from 0 to 1. Substitute the limits for x. First, we need to substitute x for 1. So 1 by 8 plus 2 by 21 minus 1 by 6. Okay. How can we take LCM? Among all the three, 1 by 8 plus 2 by 21 minus 1 by 6. Right? So 1 by 8 plus, we can take 42 as LCM between these two terms. So 2 21s are 42, so multiply by 4 minus 7 times, isn't it? 7 6 are 42, so multiply by 7. So that is equal to 1 by 8 minus 3 by 42. Right? We can cancel 1 by 8 minus 1 by, how many 3's are in 42? 1 time remaining, 1 14 times. Is it right? Yes. Shall we take 16 as LCM? 56. So what is the LCM between 14 and 8? 56. Right? LCM between 14 and 8. So shall we divide it by 2? So 4, 7. So this is the LCM. 28 into 2, 56. 56 as LCM. So how many 8s are in 56? 7 8s are. So 7 minus. How many 14s are in 56? how many? 4 times. So right. So that is equal to what? 3 by 56 is the answer for the given integral. That's all. Next one, integral 0 to 5, integral 0 to x square, x into x square plus y square into dx dy. Okay. So right, so the limit in the integral is a function of x. So this is the limit for y, isn't it? So we need to integrate y at first. So it is not in correct form. So we rewrite the given integral 0 to 5, integral 0 to x square, x into x square plus y square into dy dx. So this is the correct form. In the given problem, this is not in correct form. So I just, first of all, I make it into correct form and then integrate it. Okay. Right. So now multiply that x inside the bracket. X cube plus x y square into dy dx. Now I am going to integrate with respect to y at first. So x is a constant, x cube is a constant, x cube into y plus x into y cube, y square becomes y cube by 3, right? So limit for y is 0 to x square into dx. So substitute the limit for y, not for x, okay? Right? So substitute the limit y by x square, it becomes x power 5 plus x square means x power 6, x square power 3 by 3. What will become? X power 2 3s are 6. Right? So already one x is here, so x to the power 7 by 3. Okay? By substituting lower limit, both terms will be 0. Right? That's all. So right, integrate with respect to x now. X power 6 by 6 plus x power 8 by 8. Already 3 is here, so 24. So limit from 0 to 5. So substitute the limit here, 5 power 6 by 6 plus 5 power 8 by 24. So we can take 5 power 6 as, common. So what will get? 1 by 6 plus, after taking 5 power 6 as common from both of the two terms, so it becomes 1 by 6 plus 5 power 2 by 24. So 5 power 6 into taking 24 as LCM. So say 4 6 are 24 plus 25. So that is equal to 5 power 6 into 29 by 24. Is the value of this integral. That's all. Next one. Integral 0 to a, integral 0 to root of a square minus x square dx dy. Right? So look at here, it is a function of x, so this is the limit for y. But here, integral with respect to x comes at first, so it is not in correct form, so make it into correct form. 0 to a, let us take the given integral as I. 0 to a, 0 to root of a square minus x square into dy dx. So this is in correct form. Okay, that's all. Look at here. So limit for y here. So integral with respect to y comes at first. That's all. So very easiest one problem. 0 to a. Integral of dy becomes y. Limit from 0 to root of a square minus x square into dx. So what? Integral 0 to a. Substitute that here. So root of a square minus x square minus 0, so into dx. So we have a direct formula for this integral root of a square minus x square. What is the formula for that? X by 2 into root of the same value a square minus x square minus a square by 2 plus, so plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. We need to substitute the limit for 0 to a. Right? So by substituting the upper limit a as first, So yeah, a by 2 into root of a square minus a square. A square minus a square 0. So the entire term becomes 0 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of a by a. Sine inverse of a by a. That is equal to what? Sine inverse of 1. What is sine inverse of 1? Already I told you. Sine inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 2. Why? Sine 90 is equal to 1. Take the sine into right hand side. So pi by 2 is equal to what? Sine inverse of 1. Okay. So sine inverse of 1 is the value, is the angle. So that is equal to what? Pi by 2. Same like that. Sine 0 equal to 0. Take the sine into right hand side. So 0 equal to sine inverse of 0. So sine inverse of 0 equal to 0. Sine inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 2. So now I am going to apply these two results here. So a square by 2 into sine inverse of a by a 1. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Okay, minus lower limit 0. When we substituting 0 for x, so entire terms become 0 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x becomes 0. So sine inverse of 0, 0. So every term becomes 0. So no need to write it. Okay, so just for your understanding purpose, I write it here. This is for upper limit and this is for lower limit. So multiply this 2 into 2, 4 pi. A square by 4 is the answer for the problem. That's all. Very easiest one. Next one. Integral 0 to 4. Integral 0 to x square e power y by x dy dx. Right? Here, a region of integration is a function of x, so it is the limit for y. So already y is here, so the given integral is in correct form. So we shall move to directly go for integrate it. Okay. So we are going to integrate at first. Okay. Integrate with respect to y at first. So y. So e power ax. What is the integral value of e power ax? E power ax by a. So same like that. Here you have to treat 1 by x as constant. So 1 by x into y. So e power y by x by 1 by x, isn't it? Right? Here a is equal to 1 by x. So e power a is equal to 1 by x, substitute here. So e power 1 by x into y. That is e power y by x. That is equal to what? E power 1 by x into y by 1 by x. That's all. That's why I write it here. Okay. So 0 to x square dx. Okay. Right? Interval 0 to 4. This can be taken into the numerator. So x into e power y by x. The limit for y is 0 to x square dx. So 0 to 4. Now apply the limit for y, not for x. Carefully substitute it here. So substituting the upper limit. So x into e power x square by x, isn't it? That is equal to what? E power x. Okay. So x into e power x minus, substitute the lower limit here. X into e power 0. E power 0 is 1. So it is x. X into e power 0. E power 0 becomes 1. That's all. Now you can split it into two integrals. 0 to 4 x into e power x minus interval 0 to 4 x into dx. Okay. Right? I forget to write dx here. Minus. So what can we do for the first integral? We can apply uv minus integral v du. Bernoulli's formula, isn't it? So uv minus integral v du. Here u is x. Highlight formula ILAGE, isn't it? So take u as x, right? By taking u as x, right? Applying the Bernoulli's formula, right? So x into remaining, all the remaining as integral dv. So what is the integral value of the remaining? E power x. Integral value of e power x is x. So first I am taking u as x, isn't it? Highlight formula. Inverse functions not present here. Logarithmic function, algebraic function is here. Okay, so x is present here, exponential function is here. So a comes at first. So taking u as x. So entire remaining portion as integral dv. After taking integral, it becomes b. So what is the integral of e power x dx? E power x into e power x. So what is the Bernoulli's theorem? After find out uv, integrate first one, differentiate the first one, integrate the second one. That's all. So what is the derivative of the first one? 1. What is the integral value of e power x? The same as e power x. Next one plus. What is the derivative of 1? 0. So no need to write the remaining terms. Okay. Next one. We need to apply the limit 0 to 4 minus, what is the integral value of x? X square by 2, the same limit as 0 to 4, that's all. So what, substitute the limit, upper limit? So 4 into e power 4 minus e power 4 minus e 0, by substituting 0 for x, so first term becomes 0 minus e power 0 becomes 1. Carefully write it here. Minus. Here 16 by 2 it is 8. 8 minus lower limit 0. That's all. So what? 4 e power 4 minus e power 4? 3 e power 4. So 3 times e power 4. Minus into minus plus 1. Minus 8. Multiply this minus inside the bracket. That's all. So 3 e power 4 minus 7 is the answer for the problem.
சிஎஸ்சி கம்ப்யூட்டர் எஜுகேஷனின் இனிய புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நியூ இயர் மெகா ஆஃபரை பெற அருகில் உள்ள சிஎஸ்சி கிளையை அணுகவும். சிஎஸ்சி கம்ப்யூட்டர் எஜுகேஷன் since 1986.